Okay, this is the experiment on microprocessor based over voltage and under voltage relay. We are going to do the over voltage relay and under voltage relay in the same kit. So this is also consisting of two kits. This is called as the relay kit and this one is called as the test kit. So first go to the over voltage relay, microprocessor based over voltage relay. So they will ask a question like this. So conduct the experiment on microprocessor based over voltage relay, and they will give the question is the set voltage is 181.5. They will give the question set voltage to 181.5. They will ask to take definite time 10 seconds and set TMS to 1. So here is the formula in order to set the Vs. So this is the formula. So we can see here. So this is the formula we need to set here. So Vs is equal to 1 plus, the plus is for over voltage and minus is for under voltage. So we are doing the over voltage relay. So Vs is equal to 1 plus 0.05 plus summation A and Vn. So here we need to set, they ask the question is set Vs to 181.5. So here 1 is constant, 0.05 is constant. We need to set summation A and Vn. So Vn is, I am taking 110 volts. Here see here the Vn is equal to 110 volts, 240 volts and 415 volts. We can see the switch condition for 110 volts is on, off. So this is regarding to the first switch. The first switch is regarding to the 110 volts. So I have set it to on, off. So this is 110 volt is set it. So I am replacing Vn by 110 volts. So for how many value of summation A? So we need to check for what value of summation A we will get 181.5. So for the value of 0.6 we will get the value of Vs is equal to 181.5. So calculate this value, we will get Vs is equal to 181.5. So here we need to set the summation A value. Summation A value is set it here. So I have set it to 0.6. So we can see here this right side is on and this side is off. So I have set it 0.4 and 0.2, that is 0.6. So this will become Vs is equal to 181.5. Okay, next we need to set TMS is equal to 1. Okay, we need to set TMS is. So now we need to set the TMS value. They ask the question is set TMS to 1. So we have the formula TMS is equal to T by K. In electromechanical relays we set it by turning from 0 to 1, but here we need to calculate, that is T by K. So K value means, so in the question they are given definite time 10 second. So definite time 10 second, here definite time 10 second means in the bracket value is K. So what is definite time? The switch condition is on, off. This is also we need to set here. This is the switch 2 is corresponding to this. Switch 2 is corresponding to this. So here the condition is on, off. So here I have set it to on, off. So this is definite time 10 second is set it. The bracket value is K. So here bracket value is K. So T by K, the K value is 10. Okay, K value is 10. The T formula is here. T is equal to K into 0.1 plus summation T. So K is 10, we know that. So at what value of summation T? At what value of summation T? The TMS become 1. We need to check by calculating all these values. So for the value of 0.9, we will get TMS is equal to 1. 10 get cancelled, 0.1 plus 0.9 is 1. So we will get TMS is equal to 1. So here we need to set the summation T value is equal to 0.8 plus 1, that is 0.9. So this is about the calculation part, and now move on to the connection. So here also we need to connect this test kit to relay kit to the operating terminal, that is 11 and 12 is the operating terminal. And here the normally closed, NC is closed, so using link, NC is closed using link. And here, so we can observe here, so here in this connecting diagram, so here 1 is ground and 2 is neutral and 3 is phase. We are giving AC supply, so here 230 AC is there. So this is connected to the terminal 2 and 3. Okay, it is connected to the terminal 2 and 3. So 1 is ground. So 1 is ground here. 1 is ground one terminal is ground, and normally open is given to here we can see is common terminal and open terminal. Normally open means it is open switch. So the common terminal is 5 and open switch is 6. So connect 5 and 6. Connect 5 and 6. So here this is about the connection part. Now switch on the supply. This is about the connection. So now close the supply switch. Okay, now close the supply switch. And turn this toggle switch to on condition and this to 330 volts. So don't use this variac. This is for under voltage. So for over voltage use only this switch. So here the push start button, then apply the voltage greater than set voltage. The set voltage is 181.5. Apply greater than 181.5. So we can see here. So I am applying the voltage. So apply greater than 181.5. So I am going to apply 190. Okay. Okay, you can see here I have applied the voltage. Then after that push to stop. Then before putting to test, reset this trip coil, and after resetting put to test, then start. Okay, for a created fault voltage, the trip coil will activate and trip within a specified time. The specified time it is depends upon the value of t. So what is the value of you set it is 10 seconds. So it will be tripped to 10 seconds. So this is about the experiment, and do it for different values of fault voltages. At least take 4 to 5 readings. So then after that do the experiment for normal inverse, definite time 1 second, definite time 100 seconds. So by changing the switch conditions. Okay. In order to turn off this circuit, so stop, then bring to this set condition and bring this variac to initial condition and open the supply switch.